This Century 21 Sterling Realty property video is presented by Wendy Musselman. Photos are of similar construction. This exquisite home site is situated in the awesome Ridgecrest Estates, and this premium lot has picturesque views. The home features 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms in an open floor plan with vaulted ceilings. There is waterproof LVP flooring in the living, kitchen and hall. The kitchen boasts an island and soft close drawers. Tray ceilings make the master a special retreat, and the bathroom is large and in charge. There is a 2-car garage and a huge basement that offers lots of additional living space. Don't miss this unique layout. The craftsman touches make this home modern and desirable. Home is to be completed within 5 months and permits have been pulled. The builder has already made all color choices. Buyer pays transfer tax stamps. For more